Welcome back to Excel Tech. In this video, we are going to see how to take VAT number only from the international VAT number. In our previous video, we have split the country code alone using left function. Here we are going to take only the VAT number. Let's move on to this video and see how to do that. So to take the VAT number alone, we might use a right function only if your number character is constant. But here we have a different country VAT numbers and each VAT number have a different number instance. So in this case, we may not be able to use a right function. Now, how we can take a VAT number only? What formula we are going to use? As we already have a country code in column D, if we simply remove the country code from the international VAT number, we will get the VAT number only. In order to do that, we are going to use the substitute function in Excel. The substitute will help us to replace the text with the new text. First, let's see the syntax for the substitute function. Substitute open bracket text comma old text comma new text comma instance number. Here instance number is the optional, but rest of the three are mandatory. The text is your international VAT number. In old text, you can choose what text you want to replace. So I want to replace the country code here. So in old text, we need to select the country code. In new text, what need to be replaced with the old text? So here we no need to replace with any value. So just nothing. In order to give nothing or blank, just type double quotes 2 times. That means nothing in Excel. So let's go and apply this formula in column E. Equal to substitute text, I am choosing the international VAT number, which is in column C, comma old text, I am selecting the country code, comma new text, I don't want anything, so I simply put double quotes 2 times, which means nothing. So here instance number is the optional, in which case we are going to use this. For example, in international VAT, you have a text called GB in 2 places. You only want to replace the first instance, you just type 1. That will only replace the first instance. Here we only have one time, so we can just hit the enter without typing any instance number. So now we can get the output. You can fill down to apply rest of the rows. Hope this video helped you, and if you want to make a separate video along with the instance number, please let me know in comments. We'll see you in another Excel video. Until then, bye from Aravind.